Welcome to 300 Southwest 2nd Street in Boca Raton, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home located in the heart of Boca Raton. We're close to the water. Mizner Park is right here down the road. Brand new kitchen. Hurricane impact windows are coming very, very soon. We have this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom floor plan. We have a mother-in-law suite in the back. We have an extra outdoor kitchen, plenty of space in the backyard. There's an extra space in the back to park an RV or a boat, whatever you would like. Features mango trees, papaya trees, guava trees. We have an above ground pool.
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes